Hey everyone, do you think you're safe using incognito mode? Think again. Today we are going to explain why incognito browsing is not as private as you think. When you open an incognito window, it feels like you're invisible online. No browsing history, no cookies, sounds perfect, right? But that's not the whole story. Your internet service provider, ISP, can still see every site you visit. They know when you're watching videos, shopping, or planning a surprise party. Why is this a problem? ISPs can sell your browsing data to advertisers. So even though your device doesn't save your history, your ISP knows exactly where you have been. This data can be used to create targeted ads, making you feel like internet knows too much about you. Next, let's talk about the network administrators. If you're using incognito mode at work or school, the admin can still see what you're doing. They can track every site you visit, so incognito mode doesn't hide your activity on public Wi-Fi or shared networks. This means your boss or school IT department can still see what websites you visit, which might get you into trouble if you are visiting non-work or non-school related sites. Websites can also track you. Incognito mode stops your browser from saving cookies, but sites can still see your IP address. This means they know your general location and can track your activity across different sessions. Advanced tracking methods like browser fingerprinting can still identify you based on your device details. Browser fingerprinting collects information about your device screen resolution, installed fonts, plugins, and other configurations to create a unique profile of you, making it harder to stay anonymous. And here's a big one: government surveillance. Authorities can monitor your online activities with the right tools and permissions. They have sophisticated ways to track and log your online behavior, and incognito mode does nothing to prevent that. If you are concerned about privacy from government agencies, incognito mode won't provide the right protection you need. Social media platforms are another concern. When you are logged into a site like Facebook or Google, they can still track your activity in incognito mode. They collect your data from browsing habits to personalize your experience and target ads. This means your incognito session is not as private as you think, especially if you're logged into these accounts. So how can you protect your privacy? Use a VPN. A VPN hides your internet activity from ISPs and network admins by encrypting your connection. It's a key tool for everyone who wants real privacy. VPNs also mask your IP address, making it harder for websites to track your location and activities. Also, consider using privacy-focused browsers and search engines. For example, browsers like Tor are designed to protect your anonymity by routing your internet traffic through multiple servers and encrypting it along the way. Privacy-focused search engines like DuckDuckGo do not track your search history or sell your data to advertisers. Another tip is to regularly clear your cookies and cache manually, even if you use incognito mode. So there you have it. Incognito mode is not as private as it seems. Stay informed, stay safe, and take control of your online privacy. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on staying safe online. Thanks for watching and stay secure.